nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Was better than me, what a prankster. He said you bad, Nikki, I said thanks, sir. Stay in some Fresh Prince, Ashley Banks, sir.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been using this palette a lot, but listen, I paid all this money for it. I'm about to get a lot of use out of it, so I'm going to be doing another look using this, and maybe using the Your True Selfie palette, but most of it is coming from here. And I'm going to go into this palette because I see lots of colorful looks, and I want to just use, what is it, Coty James 10% off and no beans. So that is these three brown shades, these huge brown shades, which I've also used no beans with the contour powder. It works with the contour powder too, so there you go. But I'm going to be using these three shades on my eyes, and my inner corner highlight is going to come from the Your True Selfie palette. But the first thing I'm going to do is start with these three brown shades. So enough talking, let's get started. So the next shade is going to be, hopefully I pointed to the right one the first time. I used this one first, now we're going into this one, which is, I believe, 10% off. And the last shade I'm going into is this brown one, which is No Beans. So this is the shade we're using last. Literally did everything else off camera because why not? I'm going to take the two shades Coty James and 10% off, which is these two browns right here, and go ahead and hit my lower lash line using Coty James first and then 10% off. And as stated, my inner corner is going to come from the Your True Selfie palette. I'm going to be taking this shade No Filter Needed, which is like a goldish brown shade. Bronzy brown shade. Whatever. And I figured, since this is like a super brown look, why not use a brownish red. It's called Black Rose though, but it's like a brown red. More red than brown, but there's a little brown in there. Brownish red lip liner and my favorite brown lipstick from ColourPop. This is their shade Cloudscape. So I'm going to use these two for my lip. So I decided, why not show how I also curl my hair for work when I do curl my hair. Because listen, I don't do this every day. But you know, sometimes I do. And sometimes I don't. Real simple, real easy actually. I already put oil in my hair. That's why it looks all shiny. It didn't look like this at first. So, I'm going to just brush through it. By the way, this brush is also like a scalp massager and I love it. I love it so much. It feels good. It feels so good. So I'm gonna brush my hair for a while. And let's start curling. And this is the finished look. I haven't completely combed out the curls yet with my fingers. I usually just run my fingers through. They'll fall eventually, but this is the finished look. I actually like this eye look. I really like the shade Code James. I don't have a shade like it, and I'm kind of obsessed with it, so I do use it a lot. I really like that shade. And this no filter needed as an inner corner highlight. I've never done that before, but I like that too. Pretty sure I'm gonna call this like brown sugar or something, and that's totally fine. But that's it for this look. That's it for this video. I actually like my hair today. Pretty sure I'm still gonna put a hat on it because it's cold outside. I will see you all sometime this week. I don't know when I'm gonna film again. Well, I have to film one video. I planned it out already, so I should film that. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Bye.